Ah, hello there. Good to see you again. Hey, have you ever been to a fancy dress party? Yeah? Good, aren't they? The trouble is, costumes can be expensive to make or to hire, and sometimes it's difficult trying to decide who to go as. Well, next time you have a fancy dress party, try this. A flat fancy dress costume. And you can go as any character you like. The costumes are cheap and easy to make. Ooh, very nice. You can even try out your acting skills by throwing in some of your character's personality. Yeah. Come and have a look at this. Come and have a look at this. Now, to make your own costume, you need to take a large cardboard box as big as you can get, open it out flat, and using a pen, draw around your head and shoulders onto the card. Now, you probably need to get someone else to help you do this. And when you've done it, you need to make a hole to fit your face. Now, the best way to do this is take a piece of string and just wrap it around your face like that, in a loop, hold it, and then carefully take it away and place the loop onto your piece of card as a rough guide as to where your face should go and how big it should be. And then use this as a guide to just draw around in there like that. See that? And my face is that big on that head. Like that. Now, once you've got the position for your face, you can start to design your costume around it. You need to make sure that any design you do includes this head and shoulder area. Now, I'm going to do a clown design, and you don't need to make the design as tall as you, as it will all help when you're walking. And actually, I think it's a lot funnier. I'm just doing this roughly, because we'll paint it later and cut it out. Keep it simple. In fact, keep it very cartoony. And when you've done the picture, if you can get a piece of card big enough, you could always add in the legs on the bottom as well. And when you're happy with your design, just cut it out. And as you can see, I've cut the face area out as well, so you can pop your head through. Now, so that you will be able to wear your costume, you need to pierce some holes in it for string or ribbon or elastic. And carefully use a pencil just to pop 2 holes just above the armpit area like this. It's always a good idea to stick a ball of sticky tack underneath so you can pierce your cardboard into your sticky tack so you won't harm your furniture. And again, do the same on the other side. 2 holes just above the armpit like that. And once you've done that, you're ready to paint it. Now, use poster or acrylic paint for this. And let's start with a nice bright blue for his jacket. Again, nice bright cartoony colours. In fact, make all of the clothes nice and bright and cartoon. Even his bright orange hair. And when you've painted the whole thing, leave it to dry and add on some detail with a pen, and you'll have something that looks like this. Then, using the holes that you made earlier, you need to tie on some string or ribbon or elastic through the holes, like I've done here, so that you can tie your fancy dress costume around your shoulders or your back. And there it is. Fantastic. And the next time you have a fancy dress party, why don't you tell everyone to make their own costume and come in flat fancy dress? And you can create any character you like. Of course, you never can tell who's going to turn up. Try it yourself, a flat fancy dress costume.
Oh, what a brilliant way of creating your own individual style next time you go to a fancy dress party. Hello! Yes, you've guessed it, it's me, the head. Now, don't forget, loop a piece of string around your face and use this as a guide when making the hole to fit your face. Do you want to see my flat fancy dress costume? Mrs. Mop! And don't worry if you didn't catch all of that, because you can check out the Art Attack website for fact sheets on this fantastic art attack and all the others in the show. Whoa! Can I do you now, sir?